Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a blog page on Wix. First, log into your Wix account and head to your site's dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you will find the blog option. Click on it to open the blog management area. From there, you can easily initiate your blog by selecting Start Blogging or Add Blog. Wix offers various blog types, allowing you to choose the best fit for your content. Once your blog is initiated, it is time to design its appearance. Wix provides many professional blog layouts to choose from, giving your page an instant, polished look. You can then personalize these layouts by adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Feel free to add or remove sections on your blog page, ensuring it perfectly showcases your unique content. This step is crucial for creating an engaging reader experience. Now let's connect your funding sources. You can link a bank account or a debit or credit card to your PayPal account. For bank accounts, PayPal will send 2 small deposits, typically less than $1 each, which you'll confirm to verify ownership. This process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Linking a card is quicker, often just requiring the card number, expiration date, and security code. Having multiple options gives you great flexibility. After crafting your post, take a moment to review everything carefully. Once you are satisfied, simply click Publish to make your content live for the world to see. Your Wix dashboard serves as a central hub for managing all your blog posts, allowing for easy edits or updates. You can also schedule posts for future publication, ensuring a consistent content flow. Finally, leverage Wix's social media integration to promote your new blog widely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.